COVID has brought so many challenges to the educational system, but mostly to those with special needs and those who are educationally disadvantaged for socio-economic reasons. We're all familiar with the July provision, which supports students with special needs after the school year has finished. This year, there will be an investment of €40 million, double that of last year, to support students with special needs and students in disadvantaged areas throughout July and August. For the first time ever, all primary and post-primary schools are encouraged to provide these programmes.
The Department of Education will also confirm to schools that for the 2021 and 2022 school year, there will be no change to the model of allocation of special needs assistance. No school will receive a reduced allocation, and there will be a scope for additionality under the exceptional review process to be delivered by the National Council for Special Education. Enhanced measures have been put in place to encourage participation of schools in this process, including reducing the administrative process, provision of funding to schools towards preparation and overseeing of the programmes, earlier payment of staff and provision to recruit final year student teachers graduating this summer.